Hello, and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have my Boxycharm Base Box and Premium Box for the month of February to go over with you. Now, if you like makeup beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. Also, did want to mention when we reach 350 subscribers, we're doing another giveaway. We're a little bit away from that, so if you're not already subscribed, please do so for a chance to enter into that giveaway. First up, we're going to start with the base box. This is $27.99 a month. Now, this has 5 full-size items in it, one in which you get to choose and customize. Now, let's go ahead and open it. We always get a card in here. Normally, it always has the theme of the month and a description on the back, but it looks like this month it just has like a little advertisement on there about something up to be coming. But the theme this month is Treat Your Heart Out, for Valentine's Day, of course. But my first item in here was my choice item, and I kind of chose later, so it's a little bit lighter shade than I normally have, but it's fine because once you throw on some bronzers and stuff, I'll be able to make it work. I got the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation in 100W. It has similar packaging to all the rest of her stuff on the outside. And it looks like it on the inside as well. Just really basic packaging. I like the little ball at the top of there. I don't know how much this stuff's valued at because on the back of the card this month they didn't list it. So I'm not going to be able to give box values and stuff like that. But I can still show everyone everything that I got. Next is Give Them Lala Beauty. I'm not really sure what this is, but I'm getting ready to open and find out. I'm not sure if it's a mascara or it looks like a lip product called Booty Call is the shade of that one. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping that or not. It looks like a pretty universal shade though, which is nice. I got from Dose of Color a single eyeshadow. I don't really wear a lot of dark colors. I like bright and natural colors mostly, but let's see what color this is, and it is like a really dark midnight blue, so I might be putting this in a giveaway as well because I don't feel like I'll be getting much use out of it. And this next item, it's kind of my own personal opinion, but I don't really like that they put refreshment products inside of my box. If I wanted the refreshments, they have them available on their website, and I feel like I could just go and order it if I did want it. And my last item in my base box is from Beauty Bakery. Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette. So I don't believe I own this in particular palette. No, I don't. And I actually do like the shades in here. It's pretty much a neutral. I might go ahead and I'm not going to swatch this. Honestly, I'm so sorry, guys. Just because there's so many similar colors to stuff that I already own. So yet again, another giveaway item. Seem like I'm giving a lot of this stuff away, but I have so much of it already as it is. You know what I mean? But moving on to the Boxycharm Premium. And this next box is Boxycharm Premium. This is 6 full-size items inside, 2 in which you get to choose and customize. This is $39.99 a month for this. And normally I'm pretty happy with it. Last month I was honestly so disappointed. I didn't even want to record. I didn't want to do anything. I gave away probably over half of my box for sure. But anyways, yet again, the same thing with the card, and it doesn't have descriptions on the back. I have from Ace Beauté a Pout Perfect liquid lipstick. It's in a quite large packaging here. It's in the shade, oh my, Manifest is the shade. But I can see why it's in this really elegant packaging. Look how gorgeous that is. And it is a neutral tone, which I will definitely wear and use. That makes me so happy to see that. I'm actually going to get a swatch of this because I know it's something that I will use. But, oh, look how beautiful that is. Okay. This is the shade Swatched, and I think it's a really pretty shade. It seems like a really creamy lip product. I don't know. I don't know if that shade really works for me or not, but I really like the packaging on that. Definitely keeping it. From Beauty Bakery, I have the Butter Hydra Silk primer. This has antioxidants in it as well, and it's good for 6 months after you open it. So I'm not going to be opening this one, maybe just to see what the inside packaging looks like. But as far as like using it, probably going to hold off on that. Okay, wow. I like it. It almost looks like a really large like lipstick. Kind of neat. Oh, it's like butter on the side of it for real, because it has like the butter measurements on the side, just like a stick of butter. So I think that's kind of like a nice sweet touch to it. Beauty Bakery always has some really fun packaging, that's for sure. Okay, moving on. And they put another refreshments item in my premium box too. Can you believe that? This one I'm not super excited about. It's a velvet body cream and unscented. Boring. Not really something I want to enjoy. It is a decent sized one, so I'll give them that. And I do like that it's vegan, cruelty free. It's made in Canada, so I guess at least there's only one refreshments item in the box instead of several. So I'll count my blessings in that. It looks like I have a bunch of palettes left in here. I have 3 palettes. I have this palette from Touch and Soul, and it has glitter all over it. It's so pretty. It's called Fill Up Orange. Okay, this is fun. I don't own this, and I'm definitely keeping this, so I'm probably going to swatch it. It looks like we have, like, a blush shade in there. It says it's eyeshadow, but that's a really large pan, so I'm wondering if I could use it as, like, a blush or a bronzer. Let's see what stuff swatches as. Oh, that's beautiful. That looks similar to almost like the color I have on, but just more orangey. That's more of a pinky orange for sure. And let's do this glitter shade just for fun. Okay. So we got that palette. This was my choice item from Secret Garden. This is 3D Blush and Glow palette. I wonder what was my other choice item. Probably that primer, I think. Okay. I was excited to get this because it's just so beautiful. It has engraved roses inside of the blushes, so I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I need to get a swatch and see what at least one of the blushes looks like. Oh, that's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. I love it. I'm excited. So that's probably my favorite thing in the box so far. I do have one more palette though. And it's a big one. It looks like it's from Ciate, London. It's the Royal Edition palette, and it's in royal blue packaging. Let's see what the palette looks like. This is a vegan, cruelty-free company. Has 24 shades in here. Okay, I like this as well. This is fun. It has a lot of different kinds of colors in here. Honestly, I'm gravitating towards this green up here. And let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Okay, yeah, I'm going to have fun with this palette for sure. Oh, let's do the royal blue one too, because that looks fun. Okay, that's pretty. All right, that's everything I had in my Boxycharm Premium for the month of February. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.